These are native trees that grow in rock, folks. These are growing here on Salt Spring Island, British Columbia, Canada. These are called Pacific madrone, or Arbutus menziesii. They're Arbutus trees. They are in full berry right now. They got lots of fruit on them. We're at the end of November, here on the very south end of Salt Spring Island. And it's amazing how these trees can survive these adverse growing conditions. You can see the roots here. They're all over. They're in abundance. Here, extremely hard wood. They look tropical. They're a broadleaf evergreen. And these are small ones. There's some huge ones in here, and they grow all over the island. They need extremely fast growing soil, and they don't take too kindly to transplanting, I'll tell you that. Try transplanting something like that, you'd kill it. Even little ones too, they don't like their roots disturbed. So there's a beautiful native Arbutus tree, late November, and it's really, really nice out here. It feels like a warm spring day. It's beautiful. Root system's just as nice as the top of the tree. Look at that. Smooth bark that peels like a eucalyptus, even though they're not related to eucalyptus trees at all. This is a pretty magical place to visit here when you're down on Salt Spring. When you come to visit Salt Spring Island, check out this place. It's on the very south end of Salt Spring Island. Russell Island there, and you can see the U.S. is over there, Washington State, and then the San Juan Islands, Washington State San Juan Islands are in there. There's Russell Island, where the Hawaiians used to live as well. So just a pretty nice place to be. Pretty relaxing. Good place to meditate if you're into meditation. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here on this channel. Cheers.